So now let's talk about copy trading in Bybit. All right. Today I'm going to talk about copy trading in Bybit. So how do we find copy trading, right? All you have to do is go to the tool, copy trading, and click on it, and you can copy others people's trade, right? This is where you can see all the experienced traders or their ROI, their performance, right? So after you're in this interface, right, the top master traders, you can go look around, right, how much they earned in the last 7 days, right? If you look at this guy earned around 400%, right, in the last 7 days. We should look at that, and then they have some followers, how many followers they have, right? If let's say you have to look at this guy, right? Look at this guy, and then we can see his stats, right? His master, right? He gains how much, his followers gain how much, right? The win rates, right? The max drawdown, right? And the Sharp ratio and an ROI, all these statistics, right? You can see, right, this guy, how much he earns and so on. Okay, so right now I can't see any trades because I didn't copy him, right? So for example, if you want to copy him, right, copy this guy, see how he did. Okay, this is a profit sharing, right? So if you were to copy this guy, right, copy his trading, you have to give them 10% of profit sharing, all right, for the profits that he helped earn from this copy. So for example, right, if I look at his stats, right, his stats quite good with the Sharp ratio of 2, for example, right, last traded at today he last traded, and this is a 7 days ROI, right, cumulative ROI. So let's try it out. So it has a minimum of 250. So right now I don't have 250. I can't really deposit it, right? So yeah, this is how you want to copy others trade. So if you want to copy him, right? That has a minimum, right? You just put in a minimum, right? And then you press copy. That's it. Simple as that. That's how you copy others people trade. All right. And if you want to be a copy trader yourself, right? Okay, join as a trader, right? Basically, if you want to be a copy trader yourself, join as a trader, click on it, and then you press I have understood the above, agree and above agreement. So basically, I actually did have a copy trader account myself, right? This is a copy trading. Basically, this is my copy trader, copy trading, right? I also did open up a copy trading account, right? So this is where are my stats right here. If I see my profile, this is my performance. I just opened it recently, and right now I'm trading, as is right now. Okay, so yeah, let's see how it goes. I just opened this out recently, and we can have you can copy others, or you can open up so that others can copy yours, right? So it's as simple as that. So yeah, this is how we operate, copy trading, right? This is a short video. This is all I want to say. See you in the next one. Peace.